Hello everyone! Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on applying as an artist at NFT Showroom. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your account. You put your Hive username here and you click Login with Keychain. Next, you're going to click on your username and go to your profile. Now, once you're at your profile, we have some quick instructions here asking you to add a portfolio and a social media where we can DM you to verify your account. We've also recently added Tweet to Verify. If you choose that option and make a verification tweet, please make sure to link the tweet directly in this field. That can help expedite things for you. You don't have to fill out all of these fields, only fill out what's relevant. For example, if you're not a musician, you don't have to add the Spotify or the SoundCloud link. You can add anything you like for a portfolio as long as we can see your art. If your Instagram is a good representation of what you do, just an Instagram account is totally fine. If you don't have anything online, you can always make a Google Drive file, a Dropbox file, a Mega file, and link that in one of these portfolio links. So once you have everything filled out, click Update Profile. Everything should go green and confirm that your profile has been updated. Now you scroll down. We have a double check here. You can make sure that you've provided everything that we need. Click I have read the TOS and I agree to only tokenize art I create which does not infringe on any copyright. I understand that if I violate the TOS, I may be blacklisted from the site. And you click Apply. Now you should have a little message that your application has been received and a moderator is going to review. Normally it's very fast, between 1 and 3 days, depending on how many applications we get. Now, what we're going to do next is when we receive your application, we'll do a quick review of your portfolio, make sure that you're not stealing anyone else's art or anyone else's identity, and we will send a quick verification message on your social media DMs just to make sure that you own that account. Once we confirm your identity and that it's actually you who owns the account, we will approve and you will get a little tokenize button that will pop up here. And that's it.